Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. In this video, we're gonna talk about how to make $360 in 10 minutes. If this is your first time to Rich Life Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money in life. So if you want to succeed and make more money, make sure you subscribe our channel and turn on the notification so you do not miss any of our videos. And at the end of the video, you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment. If you want to watch more stock videos, make sure you share this video as well. So today's stock is Bioless. So they manufactures and sells laser system for dental practitioners and their patients in the United States and internationally. So they have employees about 157, and they are in healthcare centers, and industry is medical devices. So based in California. So this is their website. So that stock, it was only 58 cents on Monday, January 11. But it went up to $1.28 on January 13. And 52-week high is $1.38. So basically, that's the highest price it has ever been in the past 52 weeks is $1.38. 52-week low is 21 cents. It's a very small company, market cap of only 86 million market cap. So what happened? So I noticed this stock started moving a lot as on January 12th. So I bought it at $1.08, planning to sell after hours or tomorrow or in the morning. So I already bought a stock that I sent out the alert to my Trading Petrol members. So they got it. They knew my stock price, they knew my plan, and the next morning on January 13th, the stock went up to $1.25 in pre-market. So BIO up to $1.25 pre-market. Let's see how high it gets when the market opens. So everybody in the Trading Petrol knew about it. So what happened was it spiked up to $1.38. So I was thinking maybe it could go beyond $1.40, but after that it started dropping. So I needed to set my position right around here. So after that, look at this, it dropped until $1.04 and closed at 92 cents. That's pretty crazy. So this is called stock trading. So you need to be really quick, like snap of the finger. The stock price can move within 5 seconds dramatically. So I sold it. So basically, I signed out an alert after I sold it. So I bought it 2,000 shares for $1.08. Then I sold 1,000 shares for $1.26. I sold 500 shares for $1.25. Another 500 shares for $1.28. So on average, about $1.26. So I made about 360 in about 10 minutes. Yes, I had the stock overnight, but the time it took me to notice the stock and buy and sell is just within 10 minutes. But it took me probably about an hour to let my stock members and students know about it, my trades, why I put in a trade at what price and my plan for tomorrow, the next trade. So yeah, so congratulations to trading patrons who profited from my alerts. So if you're interested to know more about my trade alerts, you can join Trading Patron. It's my day trade alerts, my swing trade alert, my movement trade alerts. So it's only about limited remaining spots remaining, so you can join before it gets full. So the difference between Gold Patron and Trading Patron, Gold Patron is for long-term stocks that I'm planning to hold for at least 1 year and more. So if you are somebody who has a busy job and you cannot trade in and out quickly, so this might be good for you. I only also put only Bitcoin, only focus. What am I thinking about Bitcoin? My price target for Tesla, Bitcoin, and everything. Only Bitcoin's gonna know. And you also get benefits from Save Up Bitcoin tier. Save Up Bitcoin is basically the dividend stock. dividend portfolio, so you're gonna know what I buy and what I sell for dividends as well. Trading Bitcoin get save up Bitcoin the same as well. The only difference is this is for trading. So if somebody who with a low capital, 500, 1,000, they want to make money really quick. So this is suitable for them. So the link is in the description below as well. And you can also type in this link, https://bit.ly/ILI Patreon. So IL stands for Richard Insider. So no, trading requires special skills just like investing. So investing requires different skills. But in my experience, those who are really good at investing get better at trading much easier. So that happens, you get lucky when your preparation meets the opportunity. So study hard so that you are always ready. All investment have risk, even cash have risk, because if you hold the cash, you lose value. When have you ever seen that cash appreciates in value? So you can make a lot of money or lose all your money. I'd rather take my chances at stock investing or stock trading than just holding on the cash, because I know that I'm going to lose value if I have cash. So invest only what you can afford to lose. So everything in this video is for information and entertainment only, not investment advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your own independent research before buying or selling any investment. So another thing, you don't need to have 100,000 to start investing. You can start with $10 a day, a few hundreds, or even 1,000. So I started with $10 a day. So then I grew my stock portfolio to over 100,000. So you can, so if you study hard, if you're motivated, then you can start doing by $10 a day. So useful links in the description, stock membership club, and also you can get free audiobooks and free stocks. If you want to become a real estate agent, you can take the license course. The link is below. If you want to have credit cards, these are the best credit cards in my opinions. That's gonna help you with your financial needs in the short term. And if you're paying more than $15 a month for your mobile plan, it's too much. So I only pay $15. It's unlimited mobile plans, free travel credits as well. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way is comment below in the YouTube videos, or you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. So let me know where you're watching from. I want to get to know you, your city, state, and country. Subscribe YouTube, like Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.